In terms of ground strokes, the Cross Heat Light goes quite well. I like it on the baseline. That longer handle, I think, helps us on the slow outs. We're going to give it a 7.3. The Cross Heat Light by Marta Ortega on volleys responds very well. It has a lot of control. The ball is very noticeable. The feel of the racket, I think that the spin blade mod technology works very well with this racket. But I do lack a little punch on the volley. We're going to give it a 6.3 in the wall descent. It's a racket that responds phenomenally. Quite a lot of control. On the power level, it gives you what's expected. We're going to give it a 7.2. It's a racket that responds very well in terms of the shot of the tray. Viper and hook the ball is felt a lot in the racket. It has power surely because of that extra handle that has a little longer. We're going to give it a 7.8. As for the racket of Marta Ortega in the finish, well, it's not a racket that's its strong point, but it's not its weak point either. We're going to give it a 7.0. This racket has pleasantly surprised me. It's true that I noticed a bit of lack in volley shots. Overall, I would say that this is quite a versatile racket. The slightly elongated handle definitely gives it an added advantage. This is a racket that provides a lot of feedback. When you hit, the hit is quite noticeable and the 3D roughness is very distinct. It has good ball release. I would give it a 7.6 in terms of sweet spot. It has a sweet spot that seems quite wide, but I would like it to respond a bit better when we hit it in a not so central area. For that, I will give it a 7.2. In terms of maneuverability, this racket handles very well. Despite having the extra grip that we talked about, we can work quite well with it. It's true that it has quite low weight. I would give it a 7.9.